Hello everybody, I'm Krishnaveni from Shivshivani Institute of Management. I'm recording this video as part of one of my course, company review session, and this company that I chose is Dr. Reddy's Laboratories. The reason why I chose this company is Dr. Reddy's Laboratory is a leading multinational pharmaceutical company based in India and overseas. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues to impact the world around us, Dr. Reddy's is addressing this unprecedented challenge on multiple levels. They are continuously involved in creating an effective vaccine against the coronavirus. They're also moving quickly to support communities and people who are on the medical front line as well. It is also a 36-year-old pharma company in Telangana, which says that this is one of the oldest pharmaceutical company in Telangana. So these are the reasons why I chose this company. Coming to the company profile of Dr. Reddy's, it belongs to the pharmaceutical industry, and Kallam Anji Reddy was the founder of this company. It was incorporated in the year 1984. This was the dream of Kallam Anji Reddy, who is a scientist and also a very enthusiast person into pharmaceuticals. So it's headquartered in Hyderabad, and globally it has around 20,000 plus employees working for them. Its corporate office is in Banjara Hills, and their web address is drreddys.com. Now, coming to the overview of Dr. Reddy's laboratories, they're mainly into three main segments. The first one is pharmaceutical services and active ingredients. The second one is global generics, and the third one is proprietary products. So, pharmaceutical services and active ingredients include APIs and drug products. So, APIs are the active pharmaceutical ingredients which are similar to any raw material that the other companies require. So these APIs are the key ingredients with which any medicine is prepared. So Dr. Reddy's Laboratory are the world's largest suppliers of APIs and drug products. And coming to global generic, a generic medicine is the actual basic formula or the basic composition of any pharmaceutical medicine we take. So this business of Dr. Reddy's involves finished dosages, which are branded and also unbranded into the market. So North America, India, Russia, and Europe are key markets in this segment. Proprietary products, they fulfill an unmet medical need. So these usually in this business segment, usually Dr. Reddy's creates sustainable and profitable proprietary products in dermatology and neurology. So they're also recently they have also diversified into physiotherapy equipment and orthopedic equipment. So this is an overview about Dr. Reddy's and their key businesses. So Dr. Reddy's is a strong company with 20,000 plus people from 40 different nationalities with a product portfolio of 200 plus products, and they're existent in 30 countries. The mission statement of Dr. Reddy's is that the mission is to improve the quality of life and life expectancy itself. This requires good science, but for science to be good, it has to result in affordable medicine. And the vision is to become a discovery-ruled global pharmaceutical company with a core purpose of helping people lead healthier lives. So this slide shows the presence of Dr. Reddy's laboratories in the world. So it is clearly evident that Dr. Reddy's is present in almost all the strong countries in the world. Among these 30 countries where it has its facilities, 9 countries have API manufacturing facilities. They have 14 formulation manufacturing facilities, 10 R&D centers, and 1 biological development center, which is in India. And they also have an R&D center in India. So it is clearly evident that they have a huge global presence. So the milestones in the journey of Dr. Reddy's laboratory. So in 1984, it was the birth of a dream. So Dr. Kallam Anji Reddy founded this company in the year 1984. From there, they were only specialized into APIs. In 1991, from molecules to affordable medicines. So from APIs, they started creating generic medicines. In 1995, They expanded their reach to the patients in other countries. So Dr. Reddy's Laboratory was the first Asian company out of Japan to be serving in other nations. In 2001, they spread their wings globally. So they were only until from 1995 to 2001, they were only supplying their medicines. But from 2001, they started establishing their own companies, their own manufacturing units in other countries. In 2007, they started accelerating access to expensive therapies. They started uh, they started their operations into neurology and orthopedics and other expensive therapies which were otherwise available only in global countries. They brought them to their home nation, which is India. In 2008, they acquired Jet Generics Street. So this is a company that was specialized in generic medicine. So Dr. Reddy's Laboratories acquired this company. In 2010, they moved on from just medicine to the health of the people. They started investing in the healthcare projects. In 2012, they started strengthening their capabilities. They opened their research and development centers in 2012. In 2014, they started rededicating themselves to the patient to become patient-centric. So from healthcare, they moved on to medicines, APIs, and generic drugs. In 2015, they made a partnership with Hetero to fight hepatitis C in India. So these are the major milestones in Dr. Reddy's laboratories. And with the current ongoing pandemic, if they come up with a vaccine for COVID-19, this year to 2020 will also become a milestone for Dr. Reddy's.